I'm Mary Lou Jaramillo with the Johnson County K-State Research and Extension Master Food Volunteer Program. Today, I am going to demonstrate how to prepare guacamole and how to cut an avocado. Let's begin with a washed avocado. We want to check for ripeness. The best way to check for ripeness is to apply gentle pressure to the avocado. It should yield a little bit. If the avocado is too soft, the flavor might be slightly off. Now, there are several ways to cut an avocado. I prefer holding the avocado in one hand and using a knife, a sharp knife that I'm comfortable using. It doesn't matter the size of the knife. So, pierce the avocado skin and rotate the avocado around the knife until completely cutting through the avocado. Give the avocado a slight twist. You're ready now to remove the pit. We want to remove the pit by gently piercing the pit and give it a slight twist. There you go. Now, there are several ways to cut the avocado to prepare guacamole. And the easiest way would be to use a large spoon and just gently remove the spoon around the avocado. If you want to use the avocado for salad, you might just consider just slicing very gently, not piercing the skin. Or if you want to create cubes, then just take it in the other direction. Scoop it out. Use a fork to mash the avocado. Now we're going to prepare chunky guacamole. The recipe we'll be using in this video calls for several ingredients, and use your judgment in determining the amount of salt or garlic or even the heat of the jalapenos. It really depends on your personal preference and that of your guest or your family. There we go. This recipe calls for 2 ripe avocados, and there are medium-sized avocados and large avocados, so choose what you prefer. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and you're going to check for your comfort level of salt. We're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cilantro chopped. We're going to add 1 Roma tomato. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of onion. Now this recipe I'm using red onion. If you like more onion, please add it. And then the recipe also calls for 1 to 2 chilies. I'm using jalapenos. The heat of peppers varies greatly, so I recommend tasting the jalapeno before adding lots of it to the recipe. And all you do is mix it in. It's very colorful, it's fresh, and it's flavorful. If you are preparing ahead of time before guests arrive, I suggest covering it with plastic wrap, placing the wrap over the guacamole and pressing out the air bubbles, and refrigerate until ready to use. When your guests arrive, serve it in a colorful bowl or any bowl. And serve with your favorite tortilla chips. Another idea is taking flour tortillas and rolling up the guacamole in a flour tortilla if it's just you and you just want a little something to tide you over. Enjoy the guacamole.